What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mushamazing. Welcome to my channel. Before we get to the video, hey, hit that, hit that, and smash that like button, that subscribe button, and that share button. You know what I'm saying? Share the video, support the channel. It costs you nothing but a thing. Support is free. Now, check this out. This video is all about Meld Studio. I've been using it as for streaming, and I've been using it as for recording. Right now, I'm using it a lot for recording because it works better in my PC. Now, I had to change everything around, but this video is basically about recording because I see a lot of video on streaming this, multi-streaming this and that about Mud and Mel and everything else, but I don't see too much about recording, especially in 4K. Now, like I said, it's really gonna be about Mel recording, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all like it. And I have to switch everything around because I have a 3 PC setup, but I'm basically using 2 PCs right now, but I got 3 PC set up, and I'm tell you why. And I can do all this from 1 PC. I can do all this from 2 PC, but I'm a tech head. I just like it like this, and I'm used to it. I've been doing it for about 7 years now. I got my gaming PC, I got my streaming PC, and I got a PC just for recording. And I can do everything with my screen PC and game PC, blah blah blah, all that good shit. But like I said, we're gonna get to the video, and I'm gonna pull up Mel right here. This is right here what you see, that's my gaming PC. So I'm gonna close it out and pull out Mel. Check this out. Now, right now, I erased everything. As you can see, it's basically bone dry. I just got 4K and 2K. Now, people hit me up like, how you recording? How you do this and that? If now this is mostly for um 2 PC setup, but 1 PC setup can do the same thing. Now, all you have to do is this. You know what I'm saying? All you have to do is come down here. I'm gonna make a new scene. We're gonna call it uh test, baby. Test, baby. That's all you gotta do right there. And then the next thing you want to do is do your layer. How you want to do, my mouth all going on. This is all in the cut video. But next thing you want to do is now if you have a 2 PC setup, what you want to do, and most of y'all have a Elgato capture card. So what you want to do is go down to video device. You hit that. Oh, okay, you hit that, and your fix cameras, select your device, and my device is going to be the Mark 4K 60 Mark II. Bang! That's how you capture your gaming PC. As you can see, everything is syncing, audio is going and everything. But all my stuff is Elgato. All you gotta do is come down here and pick your sound where you want to come from. Mine, like I said, I got the Elgato microphone, I got the wavelength and everything else. So of course it's gonna be there. And then the next thing you want to do is go down here, get inside your settings, all right? Get inside your settings, come down here, record. This is streaming, all right? But you can switch your cameras how you want it. However you want to record. 1080p is it's between, to me, it's 6,000 to 8,000. And right here, I got this 5,000 for 4K 60 frames per second. Now it's a cap on here now. And when Mel first came out, it wasn't no cap, but it's a cap. I can't go past this. And also, what you want to do is click on your hardware code, especially if you got an NVIDIA card. You got an NVIDIA card? Cool. Hit that right there. Then after that, your recording path and everything. So you want to hit edit. You want to do the same thing down here. I recommend MKV. That's the best for me. They don't have MP4, but it's coming out in their future. And since I recording 4K, of course, hardware encoder, 5,000. If you want the best quality, as all your course common sense, best quality. And I got my audio bit rate to 320. So I normally had 256, but I got it at 320 right now. I don't use this, but if you got like something playing in the background or whatever music, how you music inside the game, so it may work. I never use it, so excuse me. And then you want to put your recording path. Uh, I misspelled this, so don't worry about that. You know, but that's how simple it is. That is how simple it is. You don't need a rocket science to learn how to do this. Now, for everybody who want to do on a one PC setup, right? You close this out right fast. Not close out, but close it. Now, what you want to do down here is basically go down to display capture. That's one way you can do it. You also can do video device. It may pop up. I cannot tell y'all something that I don't use. And this is just me assuming and everything. So this me, UNCUT, being 100% honest. I cannot tell you how to do something that I never really did. So this is assuming. I'm assuming this. So what I would do is, matter of fact, we can try it out right now. Hold up. We can try this out. So let me I'm gonna bring this back up. Like that's I forgot I got Meld over here. I think I got Meld on my gaming PC. So yeah, we got Meld on my gaming PC. So we about to do it. We about to do it, okay? So let's see. Let's get on. Let's get on. Like I said, never done this before on. All right, got the scene already. So matter of fact, let me bring up a game that I could tab in and tab out. So we're gonna play Warcraft, y'all. Okay, I hear my daughter in the background. She done eating. So bang, we're gonna bring up Warcraft. So I'm on the money. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, everybody. Happy daughter, happy daughter. As I see right there and everything. All right. And like I said, it's up now. So let me see. Let me see. Real device. Nope. Don't got that down there. So I cannot use that. Uh Display capture. Um Bang. There we go. Display capture. Put it in the sync, baby. Display capture. There you go. That's how you do it. So first time using it. We using display capture. Come up real good. As you can see right there. Perfect. So, and same thing here. Just come over here, files, go to your settings, change everything around, your real path and everything. So I just taught myself something. And as you can see, it's still up right now. And since I got it in 4K, what I need to do is you always want to do a whoa. Cut that off, cut that off. And there we go. That's how you do it. It's something simple, something easy. It don't take a rocket scientist to do it. Basically, it's not OBS. With OBS, you go to your certain different settings. Bang, 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 bang. If anybody know about OBS, anybody use OBS. But Meld Studio is perfect for recording. Simple, straight to the point. You can do 1080p. You can do 2K, 4K. Y'all seen what I did. Y'all seen my video. I'm going to have a video link to this video. It's going to be Battlefield 6 that I did in 4K. The full gameplay is dope. So support your boy. It'd be support a whole lot better if y'all come and hit that link in the description to kick.com. That's my live stream. I put like 10 to 12 hours a day on there. I'm going hard. I would love for y'all to come over and support. If y'all want to pick my brain with anything else, so be it. I'm about to put up a video for my monitor I had for about 9 months. So I'm just looking for some support and love, everybody. Support and love. And on that note, I'm gone. And there's a giveaway in the description. Now I'm gone. Keep it gaming like I always say.